Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to share a clip to your friends or to other apps from YouTube apps. Okay, so friends, before we start the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the video. At first we have to move on YouTube apps. Then here you just play any video that you want to share the clip. Okay, suppose I click on this video, then you have to slide like this. Okay, then click on clip. Here is the clip. If you want to share this clip, suppose I will share to my friends this clip little bit here, and you can write the description also, any, suppose I write amazing. Okay, here click on done, and here you can share the clip. Okay, click on share clip. Here I click on it. Okay, here is many apps has been came, so that you can you can share to your friends. You can share to WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, to any apps. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.